Journal account of algae, in which we will see the habit, habitat, range of thallus, pigmentation, cell structure, flagellation, reproduction, and different types of life cycle which are present in algae. As we know, the algae are chlorophyllous thallophytes. Due to presence of chlorophyll, they can synthesize their own food by photosynthesis. So, nutrition is autotrophic. The thalloid plant body means the plant body is not differentiated into two: root, stem and leaves. When we see the habitat, we see that Cladophora, Oedogonium, Eulothrix and Chara lives in running fresh water, while Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Hydrodictyon and Spirogyra are found in stagnant fresh water. The member of Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae like Ectocarpus, Sargassum, Fucus, Polysiphonia occurs in marine water. Free floating algae are called phytoplanktons. They are not swimmers. Algae found above the surface of soil are called saprophytes like Vockeria, Botryddium, Frischella and Euglena. They occur above the soil surface, so they are saprophytes. Algae occur under the surface of soil are called cryptophytes like nostoc, Anabaena, etc. Algae can survive in high salt concentration of salt lakes are called halophytes like Chlamydomonas arenbergii, Tuonelalia, Stephanoptera. Epiphytic algae grows on other plants like Bulbochaete, Oedogonium, Microspora, Chaetophora and Zygnema. Epizoic algae grows on animals which are Cladophora crisprata, Stegochonium, etc. Endozoic algae like Zoochlorella occurs in tissue of animals like Hydra. Symbiotic algae as lichen lives with fungi. Nostoc Anabaena lives in thallus of Anthoceros and coralloid roots of Cycas. Cryptophytic algae grows in ice and they make different color of snow. The red snow is due to presence of Haematococcus nivalis, while green snow is due to presence of Chlamydomonas yellowstenensis. Lithophytic algae like Cytonema, Ribolaria, Nostoc grow on moist and shady rocks. Parasitic algae like Cephalurus virescens causes red rust of tea, is a green alga. Oscillatoria brevis, Heteromorphogonium, Haplosyphon lignosum are thermophytes, can survive at 50 degree centigrade to 70 degree centigrade warm water condition. When we see the range of thallus in algae, the thallus organization of algae ranges from unicellular non-motile to parenchymatous form. Rhizochrysис, Rhizochlorosis and Chrysomeva are amoeboid rhizopodial unicells which lack cell wall like this. Chrococcus and Chlorella are non-motile unicellular forms without flagella, while Chlamydomonas, Euglena and Phacotus are unicellular motile forms with flagella. Spaluna is non-motile spiral unicells. Pandorina, Eudaimonia, Volvox, Hydrodictyon are synovial colonial forms with definite number of cells. This is the colony of Volvox with 5 daughter colonies which develop inside it. This is Hydrodictyon. Palmilloid colony don't have definite number and shape and size like Chlamydomonas, Tetraspora, Aphantheca. In Chlamydomonas, palmilloid stage is formed during reproduction. Dendroid colony looks like a small microscopic tree in Chrysodendron. When rhizopodial cells unite through rhizopodia, this type of colony is called rhizopodial colony. Spirogyra, Zygnema, Eulothrix, Oedogonium are unbranched filamentous algae. Nostoc form filamentous colony called trichome. Cladophora has simple branched filament. Fristella, Ectocarpus, Coleochaete, Stagonium are heterotrichous, inhabit with both prostate and erect system. Batrachospermum is uniaxial pseudoparenchymatous, while Polysiphonia is multiaxial pseudoparenchymatous. Vaucaria and Botidium are siphonaceous branched thallus like an empty pipe, which is filled with many nuclei and plastids with vacuole. Alva, Sargassum, Porphyra, Fucus, Dictuta, Laminaria are parenchymatous in organization. When we see the cellular organization in algae, only the members of class Cyanophyceae are prokaryotic with primitive nucleus. All other members are eukaryotic with well organized nucleus, presence of membrane bound cell organelles. When we see about the cell wall, most of the members of algae have cellulosic cell wall. Cellulose is a polysaccharide of glucose. Brown algae also have alginic acid, fucoidin, fusin and hemicellulose. Pectin is present in red algae. Some red algae also have deposition of calcium carbonate. In diatom, cell wall have silica. In Cyanophyceae, cell wall is made up of mucopolymers. Cell wall is absent in Euglena. When we see the flagellation, the thread-like long projection with 9+2 arrangement of microfibrils is called flagella. It is completely absent in Rhodophyceae and Cyanophyceae. It is evident that members of red algae and blue-green algae don't have any motile cellular structure in any life stage. They don't have flagella. The smooth-walled flagella is called acronematic or whiplash type flagella, while flagella with small outgrowths called mastegonemes are called tinsel or pleuronematic flagella. This is also of three types: stichonematic, when mastegonemes only one side. When terminal filament is present, they are pentachronematic, and when terminal filament is absent, it is pentonematic. When both flagella are similar, it is called isognate. When they are dissimilar, it is called heterognate. We can see in this structure that these flagella are isognate and anterior in position, and this flagella in condition is heterognate, and one flagella is larger and the other is smaller. When we see pigmentation, the pigments are chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotene and phycobilins. They have variety of pigments in plastids, but Cyanophyceae members have chromoplast in periphery. The chromoplast with chlorophyll A and B are called chloroplast, and those without chlorophyll B are called chromatophores. Cup-shaped chloroplast is present in Chlamydomonas and Volvox. Discoid chloroplast present in Vaucaria, Chara and diatoms. Girdle-shaped in Eulothrix. Reticulate chloroplast in Oedogonium, Cladophora, Hydrodictyon. Spiral in Spirogyra, and stellate means like star in Zygnema. Chlorophyll is of 5 types: chlorophyll A, B, C, D and E. Chlorophyll A is present in all group with different chlorophyll members. Chlorophyll B in Chlorophyceae and Euglenoophyceae, chlorophyll C in Phaeophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Basilarophyceae and Chrysophyceae, chlorophyll D in Rhodophyceae and chlorophyll E in Xanthophyceae. Fucoxanthine is present in Phaeophyceae, Myxoxanthophil in Cyanophyceae. Beta carotene is present in all members except Cryptophyceae, which has alpha carotene. When we see the different types of reproduction, the vegetative reproduction takes place by different methods. Euglena and Chlamydomonas propagate by fission. Eulothrix, Oudogonium, Spirogyra, Zygnema reproduce by fragmentation, in which each fragment form a new thallus. In Nostoc, Oscillatoria, under unfavorable conditions, small segments are formed due to heterocyst. They are called Harmogonia. Cara, Dictyota, Fucus form adventitious branches, Protonema, and sometimes root bulbils, tubers, etc., which after separation from the parent body form new thallus. And Protosiphon show vegetative reproduction by budding. When we see asexual reproduction, the most important asexual reproductive body are zoospores. In Chlamydomonas, there are 2 flagella. In macrozoospore of Eulothrix, there are 4 flagella. And in Vaucaria and Oudogonium, there are many flagella. Aplonospores have cell wall and are non-motile, produced in many species. Hypnospores have thick wall and are non-motile. Tetraspores of Polysiphonia produce after meiosis in Tetrasporangia. Artospores are non-motile and parent cell-like spores, like in Cendesmus and Chlorella. Echinids are thick-walled spores produced in the chain which store food. They are present in nostoc and different members. Many blue-green algae also produce endospore and exospores. When we see different features of sexual reproduction in which male and female gametes are produced and form a zygote, the sexual reproduction is not reported in Cyanophyceae member. We see that when 2 gametes of same cell fuse to form zygote, like in diatoms, it is called autogamy. When unicellular parent fuse to form diploid zygote as such, it is called hologamy. It is also shown in some species of Chlamydomonas. When fusing gametes morphologically and physiologically are similar, it is called isogamy. When both gametes morphologically and physiologically are different, it is called anisogamy. And when female gamete is large and non-motile and male gamete is motile, it is called oogamy. In the unfavorable environment, the perennation is performed by mucilaginous sheath, tubers, echinids, hypnospores, zygote and cyst. They can survive in desiccation and extreme heat condition. When we see the type of life cycle, the different algae perform different types of life cycle. Most of the algae show haplontic type of life cycle in which only zygote is diploid structure and all other stages are haploid. So most of the stages are haploid. This type of life cycle is called haplontic type of life cycle. It is present in Eulothrix, Oudogonium, Spirogyra, Zygnema, Cara and Chlamydomonas. We can see here that only zygote is diploid, all other stages are haploid. When we see the life cycle of Cladophora, Glomerata, Fucus, Sargassum and diatoms, it is diplontic type in which the main plant body is sporophyte while other all stages also diploid except the gamete which are formed after meiosis. Here the gametangia are diploid and gametes are haploid. So this type of life cycle is called diplontic type of life cycle. When we see the life cycle of Alba, Enteromorpha, Cladophora, Ectocarpus and Fristella, when haploid and diploid both gametophyte, this one, and sporophyte stages are similar in morphology. There is no differentiation between sporophytic gametophytic stage except the number of chromosomes. So then morphological difference is not present. So this type of life cycle is called isomorphic type of life cycle. When we see the life cycle of Dictyota laminaria, here the diploid structure and haploid structure are dissimilar. There is lot of difference between the thallus structure of diploid and haploid structured sporophyte and gametophyte. This type of life cycle is called heteromorphic type of life cycle in Dictyota, laminaria, etc. When we see the life cycle of Batrachospermum, it has 3 stages. In these 3 stages, 2 stages the gametophyte stage and carposporophyte stage is haploid while zygote is diploid. So this type of life cycle is called haplobiontic triphasic life cycle, because out of 3 stages, 2 stages are haploid. And at last, when we see the life cycle of Polysiphonia, there is also 3 stages, but only a single stage is haploid, which is gametophyte, while carposporophyte and tetrasporophyte stages are diploid. So this was everything about a view of general account of algae, and the detailed feature of reproduction, pigmentation in detail we will see in the different lectures of their life cycle and different lectures on the structure and characters of the different class